Now let us see about checkbox. So checkboxes, also known as tick boxes or tick box, are widgets that permit the user to make multiple selections from a number of different options. So this is different to the radio button where the user can make only one choice. In the radio button, here you can make multiple choices. Usually checkboxes are shown on the screen as square boxes that can contain white spaces. So let us see the example. So let us start with importing the Tinker. We will be importing all, and now let us say a is equal to tk. Let us define a variable. Let us say variable 1 is equal to int variable. So this checkboxes also contain the values inside it. To store them, we are declaring this var1. Now the keyword for the checkbox is check button, capital C, don't forget, and then pause a, and the text is equal to, let us say, check button 1 and variable, store it in the var1. So this, once we have stored, we can use it for our further purpose, and then we should have to pack it. So instead of pack, we will considering grid this time, grid, and inside that you should have to pass the row is equal to, say, let us say 0, and sticky is equal to the west. So we have created one check button. Let us create one more, is equal to int variable, same thing. I will be copying this one and paste it here. This time it is checkbox 2, and store it in the variable 2, and the row now is 1. Enter, and don't forget to main loop. Now let us execute it. So this is our output. So we have created two checkbox. Unlike like radio buttons, we can select only one. Here you can select as many as them. So let us create two more. So now actually this variable contains some values. So that we will be seeing in your next example. For now, let us create is equal to one more var. Let us copy these two, like copy, Control C, Control V. Variable 3 is equal to int var. Here let us say 3, 4. This one is 4, 3, 4. Same thing, we'll change the row to 2 and 3. Let us execute now. Press F5 and OK. So here we have created 4 checkbox. So here we can miss whatever we want, we can choose it, and then we can write our code for the checked one. Hope you understood how to create the basic check buttons and keep practicing. We'll be meeting in the next video with some examples.